Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
A blinking normal light on your Samsung DW80R2031US dishwasher usually indicates a leak detection error. This means the moisture sensor at the bottom of the unit has found water where it should not be. First, turn off the power at the circuit breaker to stay safe. Remove the bottom kick plate and look for any standing water in the drain pan. If you see water, soak it up with a towel or a sponge. Let the area dry completely before you try to start the machine again. Sometimes a small leak from the door seal or a loose hose causes this issue. Check the drain hose for any kinks or clogs that might push water back into the unit. You should also clean the filter inside the dishwasher to ensure proper drainage. If the pan is dry and the light still blinks, the moisture sensor might be stuck or faulty. Try wiping the sensor with a dry cloth to remove any residue or debris. Another common fix is to perform a hard reset by leaving the power off for 10 minutes. This allows the control board to clear any temporary glitches. Once you restore power, the blinking light should stop. If the error returns immediately, you may have a slow leak that needs professional repair. Inspect the water inlet valve and the drain pump for cracks or drips. Keeping the area under your dishwasher dry is the best way to prevent this specific error code from returning. Following these simple steps will help you get your dishes clean again without calling a repairman for a simple fix.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.